students, by seeing these pictures you can guess which topic today I am going to start. Yes, in maths today I am going to start topic chapter 15, shapes and patterns. Children, already you have taught in class 2nd and 3rd. So, children, first we understand that what is shapes. Every object have their own shape and shapes are regular or irregular. So, shapes have vertices, face, edge, etc. So, what do you understand by pattern? It is a sequence which make the next object on the set pattern. This sequence may be in number, alphabets or geometrical figure. So, I hope you know what is pattern and what is shape. Here you are seeing that it is cube shape. This one is cuboid. And this is very easy. It is cylinder. And this one is cone. And this is sphere. So, a cuboid has 6 faces. So, you see how many faces cuboid have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the downwards one is 6 face. And 8 vertices. That means that corner is in cuboid is 8. And how many edges? 12 edges. So, there are some example of cube like dice, box, sugar cube, etc. Now, cube also have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now, in cylinder you are seeing, look in your book, it is a cylindrical shape. And how many faces in cylinder? There are 3 faces. How can? See. Top one, base one. And this one. The top one, base one, and the top under one is 1 faces. So, there are 3 faces in cylinder. 2 edges, no vertices. So, there are 2 edges and no vertices in cylinder. So, example of cylinder is a tin can or like cylinder, etc. Now, see what is in cone. So, a cone has 2 faces, one flat, one curved, 1 edge and 1 vertices. So, example of cone is ice cream, that softie you are eating, that cone, birthday cap, etc. So, children, look here, it is a sphere and in a sphere, no vertices, no edge, only a curved face. So, example of vertices is a tennis ball or ball, etc. Now, I am going to start exercise 15.1. Look carefully. So, in 15.1, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. So, by these explanation, you can do this one easily. Now, see question number 2. So, in question number 2, pattern given. So, A, B, after that blank, then E, F, then blank, I, J, then blank. So, you fill in the blanks with pattern. Which pattern? We, then after A, B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So, like this you can do question number 2 easily. Question number 3, look carefully. In this question, Pattern is given in shape. So I am taking question number A. It is very easy for you, I know. So it is triangle, then again triangle, then again one opposite direction triangle, and you have to complete this pattern. How can you do? You see, first you do 2 triangle, after that opposite 2 triangle, and then you get the pattern. So question number 3 you can do. Question number 4 is same. So children, classwork for you. Today you will do question number 1, 2 and 3 in your book and send to your class teacher. Thank you.